Ayan, nasa 20th floor ako. Ayan. Yeah, I met a friend here by the name of Jen. Jen, what is your last name?
Last name
Yeah, your surname.
called Jen.
Huh?
Gentila.
Gentila?
Yes. The
La?
last name same. Jen.
Oh!
Yes, you can call Jen.
Ayun yung sa central, they call it central area of the Pattaya. So, yung building na yun, parang malaking ship. Yung shape niya. Doon ako sa baba nag-stay. Sa baba lang ako. Down. Ayan. So, dito siya kasi nakatira. She lives here at the 20th floor. Condominium at the back of my accommodations here in Pattaya. Nice view.